Right, well, hello and welcome to another sound test. I've gone and made the decision. I wasn't happy with my other microphone, so I've bought a Drift Ghost external microphone. It still works with the contour camera, which is good. Did some tests at home to make sure of that before I put it in the helmet and came out. It is bloody cold out here today. Oh, hello. But why am I out riding, you ask, if it's so cold? Well, I was bored and I thought, bugger it, why don't I go shopping? I was watching YouTube just for something different, and came across some exhaust tests for R6s, and I've seen an exhaust system that I absolutely love the sound or the note that it provides on the R6. It's the Yoshimura TRX. So I'm going to go down to my bike shop and see what they can do for me. And it's also a really good reason to get out and give this new microphone a test. So after doing the couple of simple little sound checks at home to make sure that it did actually work in the camera, I've realised I've had to turn the volume setting for the external microphone up. It's now sitting at 50 out of 59. What was that truck doing? Sorry about that. So, what was I talking about? Volume. 50 out of 59 is what I've got it set to now. Hopefully it's picking up the voice okay, not too much wind noise. The microphone comes with its own little windsock, which is always handy, and which is something that my other microphone didn't come with, so I haven't had to muck around with any modifications on that. But I have also put it inside the cheek pad of the helmet, so just to give it a bit more protection against the wind. I'm hoping that doesn't muffle the sound too much. If it does, well then I'll have to just get it in front of my face more and put it just right at the front of the helmet, I suppose. I do have a chin curtain now for the helmet. Thank you to the guys at Total Motorcycle Accessories for that. They gave it to me for nothing. The fellow was really, really good. Anyone in Perth looking for any gear, big shout out, Total Motorcycle Accessories in East Vic Park, Albany Highway. Get down and see them. Really good shop there as well. He got me a little bit excited about some new helmets coming out very shortly. I couldn't believe just how light the helmets are that are even out now, but he said there's a new range coming out that are even lighter. Something like 900 grams, which, you know, I think this helmet that I've got now weighs 1.4 kilos, so it's half a kilo lighter. And it's the new Euro standards helmets. All the brands are doing it. AGV, Shoei. I wear a Shoei helmet at the moment. It's an old XR 1000 model helmet. I love my helmet, absolutely think it's brilliant, but after looking at those new ones, gee, could be another investment I might be making shortly. But anyway, so what else been going on? It's more just the trials and tribulations of trying to get this right. You know, yes, it's a hobby, and hobbies take a while to get everything right, I suppose, when you're starting out something that you've not done before. So, you know, obviously talking while riding is something that's new. Talking out loud anyway. I always talk to myself, no one else listens. But yeah, talking about shit while you're riding, it's like, well, why am I doing this? But I think it's fun, you know, and it's something that people like that cause accidents. Anyway, so new hobbies is what I was talking about, and I think it's something that, you know, you got to try these things. It's fun. If only I watch the videos, well, so be it. At least it's something that I'm fulfilling for my new hobby, and it's a good thing. Speed camera here. The wind seems to have died down, which is nice. But yeah, it's been a bitterly cold wind today. I think it's about 18 degrees outside Celsius, but with the wind chill factor, oh, feels like it's about 10. But I'm pretty much nice and toasty, except for my legs. My legs are cold. Nothing you can really do about that. I'm not going to complain anymore about that, because that's just boring. So, all these lights, oh come on, it's green. Green means go. Going through the fancy pants part of motoring here, Mercedes-Benz, Benz. People with their panic braking, you don't need to brake, just cover the brake pedal with your foot. Let the engine slow you down. So I'm off to Dale Britton Motorcycles. It's where I bought the bike from. It's where the bike was originally sold when it was brand new. I'm the third owner of it. But they've always looked after it. And hopefully with that, there's Total Motorcycle Accessories. Go and check them out. So, as I was saying, Dale Britton, hopefully I can get a good deal out of them. Shalina. to do. So going through Victoria Park now. You can see it's pretty chilly, what everyone else is wearing. Hello. Nice pins. Should be a little bit of eye candy out. It's just about, I think it's about 1 o'clock. A lot of cafes, restaurants along this strip here. A few good little hangouts. Normally see quite a few bike rider groups at the coffee shops and whatnot along here, especially at night time, which is something I've still got to do as well. I need to do a night ride and see how the camera works in the street light and headlight scenarios. I wonder if they knew about my camera. They'll be on YouTube. She was pretty. Well, both pretty. Pretty damn hot. Sebastian's Italian Cafe. Very nice bruschetta in there. First Property, that's where those ladies work. Oh, I could have gone another way, would have been a bit quicker, but I don't mind circling along like this. Saves a lot of the wind chill on my face, which is good. I only really want to ride with my visor up, because being so chilly, my visor would fog up if I have it down. I've really got to get some anti-fog for the visor and give it a clean. I noticed it yesterday when I was out doing a little run with the Big Park Hotel coming up on the left. I used to be the head chef there a long time ago, back when it was Cheers. I was the last head chef while it was Cheers. There you go, bit of history. But I'm not a chef anymore. Man, these people that just follow the speed limit. Arr. And less. Alrighty, so we're nearly there. only about, I'd say, half a K to a K away. This is better. Get rid of the traffic and get the red light. Just the way it is. Won't be long. She wouldn't have any trouble breathing. Big set of lungs. Alright, so we're pretty well there now. I'll sign off, come back to you after I've done my bit of shopping. I'll let you know the outcome. So, stay safe, stay upright, stay on two wheels. You've been watching Thirst on Wheels. We'll see you next time. Ciao for now.